As the intelligent biped he is, man has been able, over the millennia, to use the planet's resources to become the refined being of today. Predators having disappeared, he has happily multiplied. We are now 7 billion human beings, and there will be 2 billion more of us in 40 years' time. Ever increasing in number, more and more of us live in cities. Cities that are becoming bigger and bigger. To live, to travel, to work. And to get as much comfort as we can every day. Any time of day and night. But it comes with a price. We consume more and more goods and services. We produce waste, generate pollution. We consume natural resources and the available fresh water. We deteriorate the ecosystems and reduce biodiversity. We put more and more pressure on our planet. That's our environmental footprint. To control and reduce our footprint, can we really go back? That's not easy. Then let's move forwards. How can we make everyone comfortable without destroying our environment? Let's have a closer look. Products and services can be broken down into several phases. The life cycle steps: extraction and production of raw materials, transport and transformation, packaging and distribution, consumption or use, and end-of-life management. And each step of the life cycle interacts with the environment, resources, water, climate, and ecosystems. This means that each product or service we consume has an environmental footprint. To reduce this footprint, we need to act in these 4 areas. And to act, we need to have quantitative data to understand better. The carbon footprint takes into account the greenhouse gas emissions. It assesses the contribution of our activities on climate change. The water footprint evaluates the impacts on the availability of fresh water resources. It takes into account the volume, the quality, and the water stress. The resources footprint takes into account the reserves of raw materials, fossil energy and mineral resources, but also wood or agricultural land. It assesses the impacts on the availability of resources. The ecosystems footprint evaluates the deterioration of ecosystems and biodiversity. It takes into account pollution released into the environment and the change in land use. Assessing the environmental footprint helps make good decisions. To reduce the environmental footprint, several scenarios must be evaluated. We can reduce our environmental footprint by rethinking the management of territories. And we can, for instance, improve the energy performance of buildings to reduce the consumption in cities. And use renewable energy to become less dependent on fossil resources and emit less greenhouse gas. Treating water and managing water more efficiently means reducing our pressure on water resources and also protecting ecosystems or restoring biodiversity. To ease our daily city life, different means of shared transportation offer many solutions. Solutions adapted to the local reality and everybody's needs. Better sorting our waste means we need fewer raw materials thanks to recycling. And energy recovery from waste reduces our need for fossil fuel. The city of tomorrow will function according to a logical system, maximally integrating these activities. In the future, they will become increasingly interdependent. And already the lines between them have blurred. Here, waste becomes energy. There, wastewater is turned into bioplastics or heat. Somewhere else, electricity becomes green. Managing our environmental footprint in a world under pressure enables us to live in a territory that is more resilient, healthier, more attractive, and more competitive. Let's act together to reduce our environmental footprint.